10 things that will make delicious turkey pot pie in a crock pot. Hey, welcome to Chef Boy Artie, Christmas edition. I am going to show you how to make delicious crock pot turkey pot pie with 10 ingredients. So follow me and we'll show you how to do it. 10 things you'll need for turkey pot pie. 1 turkey thigh. Potatoes. Chopped potatoes. 1/2 chopped onion. Turkey gravy mix. Mushrooms, which is optional. I kind of like to add mushrooms into it. 1 bag of frozen veggies, like carrots, peas, green beans, and corn. 3 cups of water, or 300 milliliters of water. Garlic and herb seasoning. They'll give it some really good flavor. Minced garlic. I will add that in. And to get that pot pie taste is crescent roll dough, which will go in the last hour of the cooking. Now I'm going to let this cook for about 6 hours, maybe 8. We will see. So sit back, enjoy, and we'll make some delicious turkey pot pie in a crock pot. Alrighty, I have already added 3 cups of water. I'm going to use about 3 packets of these. There's 1. Three. I got the heat on high, so I'm going to stir this up so it gets all mixed in. All right, I am going to add a couple dollops of this minced garlic. 1. 2. And let that soak in. And next I'm going to put in the garlic herb seasoning. Put a generous portion in there. And that'll give it some really good flavor. Next I'm going to put this turkey thigh in. Yep. I'm using the bone-in, skin-on turkey thigh. Next, I'm going to put in the frozen vegetables. Chopped onions. Chopped potatoes. Finally, chopped mushrooms. We'll come back in about 6 hours or so, and I'll put the crescent dough on top to make the delicious pot pie crust on top. So, be back in a while. Alright, folks. We're getting towards the end. I am going to add some flour to thicken up the sauce. Otherwise, it'll just be like a soup. So, I got a 1/2 cup of flour. Alrighty. Put some Right there. Alrighty, got it all covered. See you in about half hour, 45 minutes, maybe an hour. See you back then. Well, ladies and gentlemen, let's see what happened. It looks like, oh. Well, look at that. The crust came up, and boy, we got pot pie. So let's scoop some. There you go, folks. There's a bowl. And I'll probably get some of that turkey a little later. So let's go ahead and try it out. Alrighty. Well, here's the test. Here's the turkey pot pie that I just made. Gonna let it cool off a bit and give it a taste. It looks great. It looks great. The dough on top that I put on turned out really good, and hopefully I got some of the turkey in there. So we'll give it a little taste here. Here's some. It's still pretty hot. Try one of the potatoes. And get some of the biscuit. I used the store brand crescent roll dough. That's good. Well, thanks for watching. Please leave a comment if you have any ideas or things that could make this even better. Just drop a comment down in the description or down below, and please subscribe to Chef Boy Artie, and hit the bell so you'll be notified when my next video is uploaded, and also be a subscriber. So until next time, keep on cooking, make it delicious. See ya.